Have you ever wondered which life insurance policy is best for you? Life insurance is more than just a policy. It's a promise to offer financial protection to those you care about most. It's about ensuring that your loved ones would be taken care of when you're no longer able to. It's a crucial part of any sound financial plan. In this video, we'll explore 4 types of life insurance policies and help you understand which one might be the best fit for your needs. First, let's delve into simplified term life insurance. This type of life insurance is as uncomplicated as it sounds. It provides coverage for a specific term or period, typically ranging from 10 to 30 years. If the policyholder passes away during this term, a death benefit is paid out to the beneficiaries. The simplicity of simplified term life insurance extends to its pricing structure. It offers set premiums, which means you'll pay the same amount every month for the entirety of the term. This makes it a predictable and budget-friendly option for many. But who is the ideal customer for this type of policy? Well, simplified term life insurance is often a great fit for younger adults with dependents. It's designed to provide financial security during the years when your loved ones might need it most, such as while children are still at home or in school. Now let's discuss a scenario where you might need to use the benefits before death. Although simplified term life insurance is primarily designed to provide a death benefit, some policies may offer living benefits. These can be utilized in cases of terminal, chronic, or critical illness, helping to alleviate the financial burden during a challenging time. What happens if you're denied coverage? It's important to know that insurance companies can deny coverage based on certain health conditions or lifestyle choices. However, don't let a denial discourage you. There are other life insurance options available that might be a better fit for your unique circumstances. So, in essence, simplified term life insurance is a straightforward, budget-friendly policy designed to provide financial protection for a set term. It's ideal for those looking to secure their loved one's financial future without breaking the bank. And while it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, for many, it offers just the right balance of affordability and peace of mind. Simplified term life insurance can be a great option if you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly policy. Moving on, we have simplified whole life insurance. This type of insurance is a bit different from its term counterpart. As the name suggests, it provides coverage for your entire lifetime. One of its unique features is that it comes with a cash value component that grows over time, essentially acting as a savings account within your insurance policy. Let's delve a bit deeper. Simplified whole life insurance is straightforward. You pay a fixed premium for as long as you live, and in return, your beneficiaries receive a guaranteed death benefit when you pass away. There's also that cash value we mentioned earlier, which grows tax-deferred. This means you won't pay taxes on the gains while they're accumulating. Now, the beauty of this cash value is that it's accessible during your lifetime. You can borrow against it, use it to pay your premiums, or even surrender the policy for cash if you find yourself in a financial bind. However, it's important to note that any unpaid loans will reduce the death benefit, potentially leaving your beneficiaries with less than you'd planned. So who is this policy best suited for? Simplified whole life insurance is an excellent choice for those who desire lifelong coverage and a guaranteed way to leave a financial legacy. It's also ideal for individuals who appreciate the predictability of fixed premiums and a guaranteed death benefit. But what if you're denied coverage? While the simplified underwriting process requires fewer medical questions and no medical exam, there are still cases where coverage may be denied based on your health history. If this happens, don't fret. There are other types of life insurance policies, like guaranteed acceptance life insurance, that offer coverage without any health questions or exams. Simplified whole life insurance, though more expensive, provides lifelong coverage and cash value accumulation. It offers a sense of security, knowing that regardless of how long you live, your loved ones will be financially protected. And with the added flexibility of accessing your policy's cash value, it's an insurance plan that can adapt to your changing financial needs over time. Next up is final expense insurance. A unique type of coverage, final expense insurance, is specifically designed to cover the costs associated with passing away. These expenses can include funeral services, burial or cremation costs, medical bills not covered by Medicare, outstanding debts, and even probate costs. With the average funeral costing anywhere from $12,000 to $20,000, these expenses can quickly add up, leaving a financial burden on your loved ones during an already difficult time. One of the key benefits of final expense insurance is its simplicity. Unlike other life insurance policies, Final expense insurance doesn't require a medical exam. This makes it a great option for older adults or those with health issues who may have difficulty getting approved for other types of coverage. The coverage amount typically ranges from $5,000 to $40,000, making it a more affordable option than traditional life insurance policies. But who is the ideal customer for final expense insurance? This policy is a good fit for individuals who are primarily concerned with covering end-of-life expenses. It's also suitable for those who are older or have health conditions that might prevent them from qualifying for other types of life insurance. Now, what happens if you use the benefits before death? With final expense insurance, the death benefit is only paid out upon the policyholder's death. So unlike some other types of life insurance, there is no option to access the funds early. And what if you're denied coverage? Denials are rare with final expense insurance because it is designed to be accessible, even to those with health issues. However, if you are denied, it's advisable to speak with an insurance professional about your options. They can help you find another type of coverage that suits your needs and circumstances. In conclusion, final expense insurance is an affordable way to ensure your loved ones aren't burdened with funeral and burial costs. It provides peace of mind, knowing that these expenses will be taken care of, allowing your family to focus on healing and remembering your life rather than worrying about financial matters. Lastly, we'll discuss guaranteed acceptance life insurance. Imagine a safety net that's there for you no matter what. That's the essence of guaranteed acceptance life insurance. It's a type of policy that gives everyone a fair chance at coverage. With no medical exams or health questions, acceptance is, as the name suggests, guaranteed. This policy is a beacon of hope for those who may have been denied coverage in the past due to health conditions. It's like a universal key, opening doors to peace of mind that everyone deserves. It's particularly beneficial for older adults who are concerned about leaving behind financial burdens for their loved ones. Now, let's delve a little deeper. One of the standout advantages of guaranteed acceptance life insurance is that it offers a cash benefit to your beneficiaries upon your passing. This can help cover funeral expenses, outstanding debts, or simply serve as a financial cushion during a difficult time. But what about scenarios where you might need to use the benefits before death? Well, this policy can still prove to be quite beneficial. Certain plans allow for an accelerated death benefit, which means if you're diagnosed with a terminal illness, a portion of your death benefit can be accessed early. This can help manage medical bills or other expenses during a challenging time. But what happens if you're denied coverage? With guaranteed acceptance life insurance, this situation is virtually non-existent. Remember, this policy is all about inclusion, not exclusion. It's designed to cover everyone, regardless of their health status. But bear in mind that while acceptance is guaranteed, premiums may be higher compared to other insurance types due to the absence of health checks. So whether you have pre-existing health conditions or are simply seeking a straightforward, no-questions-asked policy, guaranteed acceptance, life insurance could be your answer. It's a valuable pathway to financial security and peace of mind, particularly for those who may not qualify for other types of policies due to health issues. It's a testament to the principle of insurance, offering protection for all, no matter the circumstances. Guaranteed acceptance life insurance is a valuable option for those who may not qualify for other types of policies due to health issues. Let's delve a bit deeper into the concept of guaranteed acceptance life insurance, focusing on two critical aspects: the waiting period and immediate payout. Like a clock ticking away, a waiting period is typically attached to this policy type. It's generally 2 to 3 years from the policy's start date. Now you might be wondering, what happens if the policyholder passes away during this waiting period? In such scenarios, the beneficiaries usually receive a return of premiums paid, possibly even with interest. It may not be the full death benefit, but it offers some financial relief nonetheless. But what happens when the clock stops ticking, when the waiting period is over? If the policyholder passes away after the waiting period due to natural causes, the beneficiaries receive the full death benefit immediately. It's like a financial parachute, deployed at a time when it's needed the most. Understanding these terms, the waiting period and immediate payout, can empower you to make an informed decision when choosing a guaranteed acceptance life insurance policy. It's about knowing the ins and outs, the terms and conditions, to ensure your peace of mind. After all, life insurance is all about securing your loved one's future, even when you're not around to do so yourself. So, now that we've covered the 4 types of life insurance policies, let's do a quick recap. Simplified term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, an economical choice for set-term coverage needs. Simplified whole life insurance offers lifelong coverage with a cash value feature, ideal for those seeking a long-term investment. Final expense insurance designed to cover end-of-life costs, providing relief for loved ones during emotionally challenging times. Now, let's dive into guaranteed acceptance life insurance. This policy, with no medical examinations or health queries, may be suitable for those with severe health issues. However, it's important to note that there's often an initial waiting period for full coverage to kick in. This could be around 2 years depending on the provider. However, many offer partial benefits or return of premium during this waiting period. Plus, once the waiting period is over, you'd benefit from an immediate payout upon death. Of course, life isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. Your personal circumstances, finance, and health conditions need consideration when selecting a policy. The goal is to strike a balance, a policy that offers the necessary coverage at an affordable price, compromising your peace of mind. The life insurance world may seem intricate, but it needn't be. We're committed to assisting you in navigating this sphere, helping you to make a knowledgeable decision that aligns your unique needs. Which life insurance type do you think is best for you? Get a free no-obligation quote on our website, carrioncoinsurance.com.